Walking the swap meet with Dad. Think about it. Okay, right behind you. Swap meet stuff. Doors. A tea bucket. Yeah, something. Yeah. So what year is this? 1941. We had probably the same design in a 3/4 ton.
Yeah.
When I was there, that we were turning in right when I was there, and those were dating to the 50s. They were Dodge Power Wagons. If I knew what I know now, I would have maybe hid one. Wow.
Got a dinky bed on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, the farmers in Winnemucca, they plow potato fields.
So the engines on these, it said on the side of the engine, nickel.
Yeah.
Chrome nickel.
Yeah, I think these are whites.
Because I remember seeing one.
The grill, there's a lever inside where you can open and close the grill so the radiators are shot out.
Yeah, white.
The white.
What?
So it has a nickel.
Straight 6,
4
gasoline
liter.
engine.
Is that a chrome nickel block?
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Winnemucca, Nevada?
What's that?
This, I don't know if this axle's right, but
If I did, I just drove through.
what about the car?
Yeah. Oh man, a whole bunch of these. Farmers got them. Road construction got them. That's what this one was. Train yards got them. There's train cars around.
Where?
All over.
Yeah.
Yeah, people were buying and snapped them up. And here's the cool part. Israel covertly bought a bunch from people because they wanted them. And Israel used these up until about 10 years ago.
Oh yeah,
Wow.
they're good.
And now they finally quit.
Huh.
We quit using them after Korea. This thing was for sure in World War II, almost sure in Korea. Because it was an anti-aircraft rig and they wanted those in Korea.
So they're all over Europe. All over Europe.
Oh yeah, but they're
The
all
Germans are buying them and restoring them, and they go to these tank shows.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
They've got international harvesters because all the Lend-Lease ones were the ones built by International Harvester. You never see those in the States.
Right.
And they're different. They got an International Harvester motor, the fenders are different, and the armor's different on the back.
What's this used for?
I don't know, that's somebody else's.
Hell. It's an engine. Running backwards like that. Okay, you got an ambulance behind you. Up. There's an ambulance behind you.
See the sign on the side of the road?
Right.
Inmax.
Hey, you guys notice are they selling hot dogs or anything yet?
I hope so. I'm starving.
God, I'm diabetic and I gotta eat something.
No, this is not the correct drum.
Yeah,
It is? I thought they were bigger.
dude. No.
So maybe when I was stationed in Germany, they had one of these outside a post,
Yeah.
and the sides were off. So
Yeah.
I always spent a lot of time took a lot of pictures of it. I remember the engine. I remember this was in the front. I remember the tracks. And this is 1973.
You may have seen one that had a winch up front.
Yes.
The winch, the bumper was way
Right,
up here.
right,
and
right,
there was
right,
a huge
right.
winch here.
Right.
I wanted one with the roller because that to me is the more
Yeah.
traditional half
Yeah.
track with the roller. So that was my only stipulation when I bought this from basically a junk dealer because they had 6 of them.
Really?
They said I want one with the roller. I don't want
Where'd you buy it, locally?
Illinois.
Oh, yeah.
And I just saw a picture, bought it, and shipped it out here. And
Just the way it is?
Yeah.
oh hell, no, this thing was so destroyed when I got it.
No, I mean, you cut the
And we got to change
No,
the
it was
battery.
missing already. So I